Good afternoon, everybody. I am Sylvia the Crafty Lady, and I have been working all morning on this. I did end up, if you saw my last video, I had her over this way more, and so she was behind this cutie. So I was able to move her over, and I'm going to put this little girl here. I've made some slits in my background, so my little crab is going to go, I think that's backwards. It's going to go this way, in there, in the sand. I have this little seashell that's going to kind of be partially in this little, well, yeah, like this maybe. But in that one, in that little hole, and then I decided to add a sea monster. You know, it's a beautiful day at the beach. She's looking over here. She's looking at her ice cream, and out of the water comes this sea monster. So I have a couple of things that I thought might look good coming out of the sea monster's mouth. Like, at first I was going to put a fish in there, and then I thought, what if I put a person? Or parts of a person. So we got two legs there. And we have these little legs. I think they're too small though, so we're going to scrap those. And then I have this person, which would be good because he's like at the beach already, you know, he's ready to go to the beach. So what if he's like coming up trying to get out of his mouth, you know what I mean? Then we have this fighter jet. I don't know if it's really a fighter jet, but it's coming after the monster. We got a little blimp here. Seahorse is gonna kind of go over here with her, poking out from behind her, and I'm gonna try to get this boat kind of in the horizon back here. I think it would be fine just like that. I don't think I need to make a slit. I kind of think I like the legs better though. Tell me in the comments below, what would you put in his mouth? The legs or the guy? I think he's too black and white, unfortunately. So I think I'm going with the legs. Yes, I'm going to go with the legs. And so the first thing that I want to do is I'll get these glued down because they are not going behind anything or through anything. So let's get that part done. Yes, I have been working on this all morning and enjoying it, but I can say that it takes a long time. Yeah. All right, so I think is it this way or this way? I can't even tell. I think we'll go this way. These blimp is going right there. I think what I need to do is take him out and get the legs set where they need to go. So, there's one. And what I'm going to do is tape these first. So, and then I'll glue the whole thing down. Now I have to get the other leg in there, and I don't want to, like, have it be like it would normally look, you know what I mean? Like, I want it to look like the legs are falling apart, but I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. I guess I'm just going to have to do it sort of like this. Because we need to be able to see that this is a monster. Yes, I think that's good. Let's do that. A little glue down over here on the side. Put that back in. Right coming out of his throat. Ugh, I just wrinkled my... Oh, where'd you go? I wrinkled up the leg, the other leg. Oops. I also want this to show more. There. Now they just look like where they're supposed to be, like they didn't fall apart or anything, but... Oh, well. I think we don't need that, but I do think I need to put glue on this very carefully. Okay. Well, let's get this in where it belongs. There. Leave as much of it popping out as possible. Okay, so now there's a little wrinkle there. Oh well. And I'm going to put this coming down like this. So, fighter jet. Unbeknownst to all the people at the beach, there's a monster coming out of the water. Okay, this is next. And I want to make sure I'm putting it where it's going to be seen. So it's going to go right here. Okay, I think that's fine the way it is. Alright, and the crab is going to come on next. Okay, so I really don't have this in because it keeps slipping out. kind of want it to go like that. She's here. Seashells there. That was actually a sticker, so now I think I need to put my seahorse down. And seahorse is just going to kind of like be poking out from in front of this woman. Then we have to tack her down. So she's down now, and now we just have this cutie girl. And she's going to go like right here. All right. I've been wanting to use this girl for a long time. I finally did. I feel a sense of accomplishment. Oh, I just ripped her. Oh my gosh. That's not good. I'm sure it'll be okay, though. Okay. That's always a problem. Or could be a problem, let's say. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm not a professional. There, not too bad. And there we have it. There she is. She is a little ripped here. I wonder if I put a little ink on it, if that would kind of hide it a little. Maybe not. Oh well. I always end up doing one thing, like one screw up, and there it was. But now, I can see I need to cut the bottom off a little bit. Didn't get her on quite straight, so I'm going to do this. And now all I need to do is glue the whole thing down. I think it came out really cute. What do you think? Tell me, would you have put the guy in the sea monster's mouth or these two legs? Let me know. I thought, why not add something a little bit creepy to this very cute beach scene? And there we have it. Now I'm going to put glue all down on this page. It's a beautiful sunny day. Be a nice day to go for a walk, I think. But when I was walking the dog earlier, the cars were just splashing water up like 3 feet onto the sidewalk. So I'm not sure if that's actually a good idea. All right. Put this all the way to the bottom. So we keep having a mystery puddle in our bathroom. We don't know where it's coming from. Nothing is wet in there except a puddle on the middle of the floor. We're thinking it's coming out of our drain, our sink drain, but we don't really know. We're not seeing it happen. And last night, I woke up to a horrible smell that I thought was gas. I ran to check my stove, and the gas wasn't on. And when I went to the bathroom, it was coming from the bathroom. And it was coming from the tub drain. I'm going to cut this off. So I plugged up the tub drain, and the smell started going away. And I'm thinking that all of these things are connected. The sink, the tub drain smell, and the sink exploding. I wish I could see it happen, though, you know? And I looked it up, and it could be a clog in the system somewhere. It could start all those problems. So anyway, if you ever had that happen, let me know. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.